Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your theme of your movie account. So let's start. If you want to change the theme dark to light, you can also do that, or light to dark, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, as you can see, you need to go to this profile icon, and after clicking on the profile icon, you will get the option here dark theme. So we have to click on the dark theme, and the dark theme will be enabled. So as you can see now, currently we are using the dark theme, and you can check out these each and every option is in a dark theme. If you want to change this to a light, you can also do that. You have to click on the profile icon, and after clicking on the profile icon, as you can see, has again option for the dark theme. You have to disable it, and after disabling this, as you can see, the theme will be again changed. You are using in the light mode, as you can see in the chats and the groups and each and everything in the light mode. So in this way you can change your theme from dark to light or light to dark as well. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change your theme of your movie. So see you guys in the next video.